Today I'm going to show you how to draw a perfect circle. Not everybody can draw a perfect circle. Like sometimes they do curvy lines or sometimes accidentally make a straight line. Well, first you're going to need to hold the pencil like you usually do when you write. Next you're going to have to clear out the table or whatever you're using because you're going to need space to move your paper around and spin it. And if something's in the way, then it's going to get blocked and your circle's going to get ruined. So next, you need to, if you see the tip right here, you need to push it out as far as you can. The farther you push it out, the bigger the circle's going to be. The shorter you put it in, like this, then the circle's going to be smaller. Well, then you're going to need to get your pinky and like this ball right here. You're going to put it on a piece of paper wherever you want it, and then you're going to gently put the lead right there, like wherever you want it. If you want, you can like let it out like that. I'm going to be doing a smaller one because a smaller circle is easier. So then you're just gonna spin the paper around. Alright, and then next, if you made any mistakes, then you're just going to have to erase it, like just like that. And then you are going to need to erase part of the circle, but then you're just going to have to just gently put it like that, as curved as you need. And then there you got